Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a running profile on GARMIN Forerunner 70. Okay, through it, press the upper right button, start, stop. Then go to activities and select run. Okay, and now you gotta scroll down a little bit until you find run settings. Tap on that, and in here you can customize options such as data screens, alerts, the labs, the autopause, the self-evaluation, running power, pack weight, broadcast heart rate, the satellites, do you want to use the location or not? For example, the touch lock, accent, color. You can rename it also if you're interested. If you want to save the changes, hit the start stop button. And for the most accurate pace, calorie and training calculations, you can also set your user profile. And that's the thing that is also worth doing. To do it, go back. Then hold the middle left button. Keep scrolling down. Click on Watch Settings. Keep scrolling down until you find the user profile. Here it is. And in here, you can update details such as your age, height, weight, gender, heart rate zones, and the running power zones if they are applicable. For example, in my case, they are not. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.